Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for 2nd April 2021. So this video is for 2nd April only. You'll see me on Sunday again with the analysis for next week. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. As you can see, right now market is trading at 1.3844. This is the current market price. As you can see, market is neither in uptrend or downtrend. The chart is not that beautiful. Okay, so what do we need to do? Okay, let me take you to the 1 week time frame or the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame, and in the weekly time frame, you can see that there is a support available. This is the support line. Okay, and we can see that market has taken support. Okay, market went down a little. Okay, and but got the support, and right now market is trading above the support level, and market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Previous week also we can see that market crossed the level, but ultimately market succeeded in giving a closure above the daily support level at 1.3780. So this level is important support for the market in the weekly chart. Okay, do remember this level is very important in the weekly chart. So this level is quite important because this week also market is getting support, and previous week also market got the support at this level. So this level is important. Okay, so whenever market was going down, this level was providing the required support. And you can see that this is the overall trend of the market. You can see that market was in uptrend, and from March, okay, from March onwards market started falling from this point onwards. Okay, and right now market, if we consider just this portion, though market is in downtrend but not that downtrend. Okay, but things are not very clear. Okay, so what should we do then? I'll tell you right now. So this is the present chart of GBP USD. Okay, so first of all, let me write down the important support 1.3780. This is the important support level, or I have also drawn a black line here. Okay, this black line is a support level on the weekly chart. Okay, so this level is very important. As you can see, this is the low. Okay, market went up, made a high. Market market came down again, but market did not break the previous low. Okay, but market made a higher low. Okay, again market went up, market failed to break the previous high, and market also did not break the previous low. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell is that market is squeezing. Okay, market is squeezing like this. Can you see that? Market is squeezing. Okay, market is squeezing like this. Am I clear till here? Okay, so you can see the market is squeezing. And one more thing that we need to focus here is that, okay, market has got resistance at this level. Okay, just consider this level and this level. Okay, this is the resistance zone for the market. Okay, and as you can see right now, market is just trading at the resistance zone. Okay, market is just at the resistance zone. And one more good news is that, okay, market is in overbought zone. So these two factors are, okay, these two factors are sufficient enough for us to short the market. Okay, we just need one confirmation here. As you can see, market is already struggling. Okay, we can see the price is already struggling, the candles are getting smaller, so price is already struggling at this resistance level. So once we get the confirmation in the form of a red candle like this, or a shooting star pattern like this, or price rejection from above like this, we can short the market here. We can short the market here. Understood? Okay. But we need to be careful at this level. Okay. If you short the market here, then this will be your first target. Okay. This will be your first target because weekly. This is the support level on the weekly chart. And as I already mentioned, market is squeezing and market is making higher lows. So market may come down to this level, and from there it may go up. Okay. Therefore, if you short the market, because see right now there is a good opportunity. Okay, if market gives us the next confirmation in the form of a bearish candle or a shooting star pattern, you can short the market right away, right? Because see, overbought zone and market is good spot to sell. If you short the market right now, then this will be your first target. Just remember, because this is a weekly chart. Okay, in case market crosses this level also, okay, with good amount of volume, okay, then also you need to be very careful, very careful. And if you're a beginner and you want to make some safe profit, okay, you want to stay safe on the market, then just exit from the market once market reaches this level, 1.3780. So just wait for another candle, one or two candle, just observe the price. If market reverses from here with uh, confirmation in the form of a bearish candle or a shooting star candle, okay, just sell GBP USD here and exit from the market once it reaches this level. Okay. So this is your entry and this is your exit. So this is the simple strategy that you can follow for GBP USD. Okay, hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. Thanks a lot, all the best, take care, see you again. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.